So over here you can see that I have a Gantt chart, and if I were to go around onto the report tab right here and then go around onto the dashboard, let's say for example if I were to go around onto the cost overview report, then you can see that there are some visual reports that you have right here. But if you want to go ahead and insert out custom charts, then you can easily do that as well inside of Microsoft Project. So for that, you need to go around onto the report design tab, and you'll get access to it if you're on one of the reports. And over here, you can see charts as an option. If you were to go around and click on chart, over here, you can see that you can bring in different charts as you like right here, like radar charts right here and so forth. So let's just go around over here in radar charts, and you can choose the type of radar chart that you want, and you can press OK. And that has been inserted as you can see right here. So once it gets inserted, you can see all of the parameters are already here, and you can go around and change out let's say for example different parameters right here, like see the overtime rates and the standard rate right here, and work around with the works as well, like overtime work and so forth over here. So I can go around and add in this extra chart right here, as you can see, just like this. You can go around over here on the report design and then go around onto chart once more, and you can add in many charts as you like. For example, you can go around and add in this chart and even go for the one with the 3D look, as you can see, and press OK, and that has been inserted right here. Like you can see the remaining actual task and the remaining task that there is. And you can go around, enable out the percentage complete over here as well. And on the work section, you can see the actual work and so forth, the budget work and so forth, and enable different parameters for that, as you can see just like this. And that is how you can go around and insert out the charts right there. And in the report, if you were to click on visual reports, then you can also go around and then select out different templates right here that you can use, and then click on view right here. And what happens is that based on the data right here, you can export out report as let's say a Microsoft Excel format as well. And here you got the pivot chart fields right here in Excel as well. So that is what you have, as you can see. So I'm not going to save this out, but you can go around and export this out in Excel and even in video format, as you can see right here. And there are different reports to choose from, as you can see right here. And that is how you can go around, insert out custom charts as well inside of your project, and even export out visual reports according to how you like from Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.